Hi friends, this is your Lesson 2 exit ticket for today. So you will see that there are a lot of problems on this page for today. What I want you to do on this top part is just like we did yesterday, I want you to circle the groups of 10. Okay, so these groups, each of these is a 10 stick. So you're going to circle your groups of 10 and then you're going to write your number down here on the line. After you've written your number here on the line, I want you to put that number into the place value chart, just like we did earlier when we were practicing. So do that for all 4 of these problems, okay? Circle your groups of 10, write that number on the line of how many you have total, how many 10s and 1s, and then put that into a place value chart. Then down here, all you're going to do is take the number and put it into the place value chart, or take the number out of the place value chart and write the number on the line, okay? If you're unsure of what to do, make sure you go back to your learning video and watch. Don't let this one trick you down here, okay? Remember, we practiced with the number 7.